In this video, I'll detail how to send one-time view pictures on WhatsApp on Android. So if you're using an Android phone and you want to send a one-time view picture, then this video is going to walk you through step by step. So if you don't know this video, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. It's worth to know that you can only send one picture at a time when you want to use one-time view. But if you want to send multiple pictures, you need to send them one after the other. So if you have 5-10 pictures you want to send and you want to use the WhatsApp one-time view, this is not going to be fixable. All you just need to do is make sure you know the pictures and send them one after the other. Now, what you need to do is go ahead and open the WhatsApp application, unlock it facing a fingerprint or pin, then select the chart where you want to send the one-time view photos to or picture. Click on either camera or this icon. Now, once you selected that, come here and click on gallery. Then on the gallery page, locate the picture you want to send. So in this case, let's say I want to send this particular picture. Click on it. Then I want to click on it, locate, add a caption, and opposite that the caption there is one-time view feature here. Click on this and you see that says photo set to view once. So the photo is going to be set to view once. Once you click on the send button, then you can add the caption and then go ahead and click on send. Then this photo will be sent as view once to this particular receiver. Then if I confirm this on my second device, go to WhatsApp like this. Then you should see photos. Then go ahead and click on the photo. It's going to download the photo and click on it. This is the photo, you see. This is a view once photo. It is more private. So once it's enabled, then this will not be able to save. You cannot download it. So you cannot screenshot it, but you can reply to it. Then there is no way to take a screenshot of the view once photo. If I take a screenshot like this, you see, screen capture blocked. So you see that? So I cannot take a screenshot of view once photo. So once you are done, then you are good to go. So that is basically how to send view once picture in WhatsApp. So if you found this informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.